Hey everyone, so I've got my metal shelf here. Now this metal shelf is 36 inches tall and wide and it's 16 inches deep. It's all metal, fully adjustable. I decided to go ahead and the way I adjusted it was I wanted that raised up a little bit so I could put things underneath it in my garage. Of course, this isn't just good for garages. It's also good for in the house, a playroom, kids room, anything like a study or I mean, you just name it because it's all metal. These shelves are completely adjustable, as I said. You can see here on the back side, it's just reinforced. So you put some heavier weights on there and you can run this up just really just anywhere you want to. Of course, this is a white. These do come in other different sizes, but this is just really something that helps keep clutter off the floor and just keep your house and your garage completely arranged. I'm really happy with it. It's easy to put together. It only took me right around, I guess, about 15 minutes. It does come with some instructions, but it really didn't even need those at all. Hope you found this review helpful.